My name is Fatima and I'm working in Anglicare as a lifestyle support worker and in the disability in Yahweh Care. I get qualified in get my course and get my diploma in community service because I know I needed that qualification for career upliftment. And I referred other people for the purpose that um, they also like me needed to be confident and get qualified, and when they get that diploma in community service, whenever they go to the community they are very confident in doing their job, same as like me. Working in the community is a very challenging and rewarding job, so I help other people to get qualified because I know every day is a learning process, and as you work in the community while giving your service and supporting clients, you are doing already the purpose of helping others. So um, as said, I help my colleagues in the disability to get qualified in the community because I want them to be like me, that we are very confident in doing our job as a support worker. When you have the diploma in community service, it's only not only the support, the care, but also the whole holistic approach for all our clients. Not only for our benefit, but also for our clients whom we're giving the service.